talking about making your style totally your own, creating accessories that are just 100% you. You ready? Let's do this.
Okay, so be honest. Do you ever just stare at your closet and feel like, ugh, something's missing, you know? Like you're looking for that special something, that little bit of sparkle that you just can't buy in a store. Well, that's exactly what we're gonna fix today. It's time to make your style totally, uniquely yours. And you know what? You totally don't need to be some kind of pro artist to do this stuff. Not at all. Your creativity, that's your superpower. It's the secret to a look that nobody else has. Seriously, DIY is all about just having fun and showing off who you are. And I'm gonna show you exactly how easy and fun it is.
All right, let's start from the top. Literally, we're talking hair accessories. They are like the perfect place to start your whole DIY journey. Why? Because they're fast, they're fun, and they can completely change up your entire look in like minutes.
First up is an absolute classic, and oh my gosh, I love these. Flower crowns. They are just perfect for everything. Festivals, parties, or even just making a totally normal Tuesday feel, a little bit more magical.
Okay, look how easy this is. Step 1, just pick out your flowers. Colorful paper ones are awesome, or you can use faux flowers. Step 2, all you gotta do is weave them or glue them onto a simple band. And for step 3, bam, you wear your crown. Oh, and here's a little secret tip for you. If you're using bigger flowers, grab some of that green floral wire. It's super strong and you can't even see it. Just like that, you've made yourself a queen. It's honestly that simple.
And that's the real magic of it, isn't it? When you put it on, you're not just wearing a thing you made. Nope, you're basically stepping into your very own fairy tale moment. It's like you crafted a story and now you get to wear it.
Okay, next up, let's talk custom fabric headbands and bows. This is for anyone who has a piece of fabric they just love, or maybe a cool old t-shirt you just can't say goodbye to. This is the perfect way to give it a new life.
So simple. First, just choose a fabric that you think is super cool. Then, a few simple stitches is all it takes. Seriously. And hey, that stretchy fabric from an old t-shirt, it's amazing for this, because it's so comfy and the edges don't get all messy. And if you're thinking, sewing? No worries. A hot glue gun is basically your best friend for this project. And boom, you've got a new look. And honestly, this is the best part. You can make one to match literally every single outfit you own. I mean, just think about it. A perfectly matching headband for every look? Yes, please. The possibilities are just endless.
Okay, so our hair is looking awesome. Now let's move on and show off your vibe with some other fun and unique stuff. We're talking about adding that little bit of flair to your jacket, your backpack, even your keys. It's these little things that really let your personality shine through. So let's create your own button pins. Think about it, they're like tiny little billboards for all the stuff you're into. Your favorite band, a quote that makes you laugh, maybe even one of your own drawings. You can pin it on and share it with the world. So here's how you do it. First, pick a design. It can be your own art, a quote, anything. Then you can get a super simple button making kit. They make this whole thing so easy. And then you just pin your passion everywhere. Oh, here's another little tip. If you print your design, try using slightly glossy paper. It makes the colors just pop. Then you just press it and you've got this amazing pin in like seconds. I just love this thought. You can turn your jacket into a gallery of all the things you love. It's not just a backpack anymore. It's like a walking museum all about you. I mean, how cool is that? All right, so your jacket is looking amazing, but what about your backpack and keys? We can't let them feel left out, can we? No way. Let's give them some love too. That's right, personalized keychains. This is something you'll take with you literally everywhere. It's just a small thing, but it's guaranteed to make you smile every single time you see it. Okay, you have tons of options here. Step 1, start with a plain keychain ring or even some colorful paracord. Step 2, go wild decorating it with beads, charms, or tying some cool knots. And then step 3, you just carry your style with you. You could spell out your name with letter beads or try making one with paracord. The cobra knot looks super complicated, but trust me, it's actually really easy to learn. And hey, this is probably the coolest way to make sure you never lose your keys again, right? Let's be real. When your keychain is this big, bright, amazing thing you made, it's kind of hard to misplace. It's cute and useful. All right, now go create. We've talked about so many fun ideas. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, starts right now. So let's recap real quick. You can craft magical flower crowns. You can design your own unique fabric headbands. You can show off with custom button pins. And you can personalize one-of-a-kind keychains. 4 amazing projects that you can totally do. See? You've got the ideas. You've got the power. You've seen how simple it is, and I know you have all this creativity just waiting to burst out. So don't ever think you can't make something totally amazing, because you can.
So that leaves just one last question. The most important one, really. What will you create first? Which one of these is screaming your name? I can't wait to see what you make. Now go get started.